Hello again. Welcome back to the video lessons by the IMPACT IELTS. This is my video number 9 for this IELTS general reading section. I have dealt with the same passage in video 7 and video 8 where we did two question type summary completion and matching with the list. In this particular video, I am going to tackle the third type of question, which is sentence completion. So by now you must know that I have read this passage up to here and up to here. Okay, up to here actually. Yes, up to here I have already read, and I have not get the first keyword which I have marked in the beginning of this section, which is a quote life. So I will read further and I'll try to find the first keyword, and then I will see that quote life inside what. So I will get this answer. Mechanical theatre shows quote life inside a what. So perhaps I'll get mechanical theatre, then I will get quote life. So let's search that. And where is it? So inside what? And I have to also see how many words are allowed. So only one word is allowed for an answer. So let's move back to the question. Start reading from here. Right. Mechanical theatre or quote life. This is what I'm looking for. Mechanical engineering. No, that's not there. Okay, that's not there. I read further. Mechanical theatre. Okay, quote life. I got this quote life. So where is the quote life? Inside of what? This is what I have to find out. So let me read this sentence completely from here. The figure inside a palace depicts 18th century court life. Okay, so where is it? It is inside a palace. So the answer is palace, right? Okay, fine. Now I have to check my second keyword, because we know that answers of sentence completions always come in sequence in the passage. So let me correct it as well. Yes. The second is saying the mechanical theatre, building workers, butchers, and the barber represent various deaths of life. Okay, what do they represent? And various. So here keywords like building workers, butchers. I have to find this or occupation. Perhaps this word can help you a lot if nothing comes to your mind. Various. Because whatever is the answer, there should be something like various, and it should be a one-word answer. So let's go back and at first try to find the professed occupation that they are talking about. From here I'll read. Mobile demonstration manner of the trades, building workers. Okay, so these all occupation are there. So I'll go back to this sentence here. A total of 141 mobile and 52 immobile little figures demonstrated all manner of trades of the period. So how many keywords are there? See, represented, demonstrated is given for that. For various, all manners are given. So you can see how close are the keywords. So trades is the answer, because various, all manner of the time in place of that period is given. So all three keywords are apparently clear. It's apparent here. So the answer is trades. Various trades represents of that time, and these all words are there. Occupation. Okay, let's move to the next keyword. Next keyword is dash provides the power that operates the mechanical theatre. So what's the keyword? I don't know. So perhaps what provides the power, which is means required to operate all these things. So what provides the power? Okay. Now you know, so they are asking perhaps the source of the power. Now, we can even predict the answer, like source of the power we have like thermal power, water power, like hydropower, that's known as solar power. So let's see what we are going to find. So here is our last answer. So we will start reading from here. The theatre shows great skills in clock making and water technology. Consists of hidden water sets, copper wiring, and It's a bit difficult, right? But still, I think water technology they're talking about. So this water technology, it means they're using water as source of the power. So water is the answer in this particular question. Let's move to the next question. Next question says new DAS that developed in the 19th century reduced the cost of the production of automata. What is the keyword here? Yes, 19th century. So once we get 19th century here, what we have to search further is new dash that developed in the 19th century. Okay, it reduced the cost. So there are many keywords here, but 19th century reduced the cost. So what was developed for that? Okay, fine. So we have already done up to here. So we'll read during the 19th century. Okay, so we immediately get the keyword. That means your answer is here. Mass production technique meant that automata could be made cheaply. Okay, cost, so it's like cheaply. So this is what the question is also asking. So what is the technique? What technique was developed? Mass production techniques. Okay, so it is the mass production techniques that is the answer. But you have to write only one word that you saw in the beginning. So your answer will be techniques. Right. So techniques is the answer of this. Let's look at the last keyword. Last keyword. Again 19th century. Most automata were intended for use by. Okay. I mean, this is what you have to find. Most automata 19th century. So I'll give the answer just after that, I think. To be used by whom I have to find out. Means who will be the end user of that? Easier, isn't it? Who will be the end user of all this? Okay, let me go back again to find the end user. Okay, 19th century is still here, and they became toys for children rather than expensive adult amusements. So who's going to use it? Children. Easy, right? So the answer is children. The last question, right? If you want to go through the answers, if you want to check it, although I have already mentioned that, you can come here and you can check the answer of the entire passage. So that's the end of this long passage, which consisted of 3 videos, videos 7, 8 and 9. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will meet in the next video with a next example of longer type of question. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye for now.